Join students. Today I am going to proceed next exercise, that is 12.3 of the same chapters, area related to circles. Exercise 12.3. Okay, in this exercise, one figure to be given and you have to find the area of shaded region. Let's see, question number 1, figure is given, you have to draw the figure, open your NCERT book and go through the figure everybody. Figure you have to draw circle, point triangle, center P, Q, R. Okay, in figure, find the area of the shaded region if PQ equal to 24 centimeter, 24 centimeter, PR equal to 7 centimeter, PR equal to 7 centimeter, and O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. So circle O center PQ is given, that is 24 centimeter, PR 7 centimeter. Okay, O center, then QR is diameter of the circle, and diameter of a circle divides it into two semicircles. Why there are two semicircles? In one semicircle, one triangle is there. So you have to find shaded area, means area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Okay, area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR, then you get shaded area. The area of triangle, how to find out? How to find out area of semicircle? Radius is not given. So semicircle we have, and in class 9th we have learned angle in a semicircle is one right angle. That's why angle P is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is one right angle, so angle P is 90 degree. And then triangle PQR is a right triangle. In right triangle, two sides we have. Third side we have to find out QR by Python. So QR is diameter also. We get diameter, then the radius is half of diameter. In this way, you have to find the radius of the semicircle, and thereafter shaded area equal to area of semicircle minus area of right triangle PQR. Clear? So first of all, you have to write WKT, angle in a semicircle is one right angle. So then angle P equal to 90 degree. So in right triangle PQR by Python, QR equal to square root PQ square plus PR square. PQ 24 plus 7 square, we get 25. So radius of circle we get finally 25 centimeter. Okay, thereafter area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, yes. Area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. Okay. Area of semicircle half pi, R means QR by 2. square minus area of triangle half into PR into PQ. Value of pi is given or not? No, not given. So half 22/7 into 25/2 into 25/2 minus half into 7 into 24. 12 and nothing else. 11. So finally calculation is your part, as you know. Denominator to 28, finally 4, 5, 2, 3 centimeters square. Okay, so question number 1 done, everybody. Okay, let me clean the board for the next. Question number 3. Again, figure is given. Square. You have to draw the figure, everybody. Find the area of the shaded region. If ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter. Okay. 14 centimeter, and APD and BPC are semicircles. There are two semicircles. Okay. You have to find area of the shaded region. ABCD is a square and there are two semicircles described on two sides of the square. Then diameter of the semicircle is 14 centimeter. Another one is also 14 centimeters. How to find out? Very simple. Area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. Isn't it? Area of square minus 2 into, there are two semicircles, so minus 2 into area of semicircle. So given part, side of square A 14 centimeter, radius equal to 14/2 equal to 7 centimeter. Now shaded area equal to area of square ABCD minus 2 into area of semicircles. Area of square A square minus half 2 into half pi r square. A is 14, so 14 into 14 minus 2 to cancel. 22/7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancel. So 56 minus 196. Sorry, 196 minus 154. What we get? 24. 42 centimeters square. Okay. So simple. Come to next. Done, everybody? Okay. Question number 4. Again, figure is given. You have to draw the figure first. OAB 6 centimeter 12. This figure is given. You have to draw the figure, everybody. Find the area of shaded region in figure such and such, where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as center. Okay, we have to find area of the shaded region. Whole is shaded. Where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with vertex O as center of equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter. And one equilateral triangle is given and one major sector is given of radius 6 centimeter. Finally, OAB is an equilateral triangle and one major sector we have with radius 6 centimeter. We have to find area of the whole figure, that is shaded. Okay, you have to write first A, side of equilateral triangle small a equal to 12 centimeter, radius of major sector is 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to find area of the major sector. For that we require the central angle of major sector that I have marked, that is theta. Okay, so theta you have to find out. And reflex angle AOB, reflex angle AOB, that you have to find out. So how to find out? We know each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. Then reflex angle of AOB equal to 360 minus 60 degree. In this way you have to find out central angle of major sector. Okay, let's see. Reflex angle AOB, this angle equal to 360 minus angle AOB, that is angle of equilateral triangle. So 360 degree minus 60 degree, so finally we get 300, that is equal to theta. Okay, now thereafter area of shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle plus area of major sector. Area of shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle AOB plus area of major sector. Equilateral triangle, you know, square root 3 upon 4a square, area of equilateral triangle, minus area of sector, same formula, pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Value of root 3 given or not? Not given. Okay, so root 3 into a square, 12 into 12, and it's plus is given, no? 12 into 12 by 4, 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 300 upon 360. Now calculate. (36 root 3) plus 30. this much centimeter square. Okay, so simple. You have to add both the areas of triangle and sector. We get area of the shaded region. Whole figure is shaded. This much only now. Up to next. Done, everybody? Okay. Question number 6. Again, figure is given. Figure is given. Draw the figure. ABC in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of design or shaded region. The table cover is given radius 32 centimeter. Okay, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Okay, these are the design. Find the area of design. Radius is given. If you join AO, that is radius, is 32 centimeter. And ABC is equilateral triangle given. ABC is an equilateral triangle that is also given. You have to find area of design. Okay. So area of design means area of circle minus area of triangle. Area of circle we can get because radius we have, but area of equilateral triangle directly we cannot find because side of equilateral triangle is not given. Okay, so first of all you have to find side of equilateral triangle, then you have to find area of design. Okay, you have to produce AO to meet BC at D. Join AO and produced to meet BC at D. Now you have to follow up some geometrical applications. Equilateral triangle. Okay, a circle passes through vertices. Such type of circles are known as circumcircle. Then O is circumcenter of the circumcircle. Since circle passes through all three vertices of equilateral triangle ABC, such type of circles are known as circumcircles, and center is known as circumcenter. Okay, so in equilateral triangle, circumcenter, incenter, centroid and orthocenter all lie at the same point. Clear? Centroid means what? Point of concurrency of medians of a triangle. Point of concurrency of medians of a triangle known as centroid. Orthocenter is what? Point of concurrency of altitudes of a triangle known as orthocenter. Circumcenter means what? Perpendicular point of concurrency of perpendicular bisector of sides of a triangle. Point of concurrency of perpendicular bisector of sides of a triangle known as circumcenter. And incenter is what? Point of concurrency of angle bisectors of a triangle known as incenter. Point of concurrency of angle bisectors of a triangle. All four, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, all four point of concurrency lie at the same point in an equilateral triangle Keep in your mind. So since O is circumcenter, okay, of equilateral triangle, then O is centroid, orthocenter as well as incenter. If O is centroid, then AD is what? Median, because point of concurrency of medians is known as centroid. So if O is centroid, then AD is median. If O is orthocenter, then AD is altitude. Okay. So if O is centroid, then AD is median, and you know that centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Then OA upon OD equal to 2 upon 1. OA we have 32 centimeter. So 32 upon OD equal to 2 upon 1. Then OD equal to 16 centimeter. OA 32, we get OD 16. Then AD equal to 32 plus 16, 48 centimeter. So AD we get 48 centimeter. AD also altitude, means height of equilateral triangle. So height of equilateral triangle √3 upon 2 into side equal to 48. In this way you have to find A, minus side of equilateral triangle. After getting side of equilateral triangle, area of design equal to area of circle minus area of triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay. So first of all we have to write all the things. Since O is circumcenter of equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. So therefore, O is centroid as well as orthocenter of equilateral triangle ABC. So therefore AD is median as well as altitude of equilateral triangle ABC. So therefore OA upon OD equal to 2 upon 1. Okay, centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. OA, that is how much? 32. It is 32 given upon OD equal to 2 upon 1, implies that OD equal to 16 centimeter. So therefore AD equal to OA plus OD, so 32 plus 16 equal to 48 centimeter. AD we get, AD also altitude, altitude means height. Also AD is altitude of equilateral triangle ABC. So then AD equal to formula height of equilateral triangle square root 3 by 2 into side. So AD 48 equal to √3 upon 2 into A. So A equal to 96 by √3, rationalizing denominator. Okay, so finally what we get? A equal to 32 √3 centimeter. Okay, and thereafter very simple, area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle, that is equal to area of design. So let's see. Now area of design equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle ABC. Area of circle pi r square minus area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4a square. Value of pi is given, no? 22 by 7 into r square, 32 square, minus root 3. Value of root 3 given, no? Then you have to write as it is, root 3 upon 4 into how much? 32 root 3 whole square. You calculate and find the answer. This part is 22528. 22528 upon 7 minus 4 8 768 centimeters square. Okay, very simple and conceptual also. Okay, very important questions and my favorite questions. Now come to next. Done everybody? Okay. Come to next. Question number 7. In figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 cm with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. ABCD is a square. Figure is given. Draw the figure. ABCD is a square. Okay. A, B, C, D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch 2 of the remaining 3 circles. You have to draw 4 circles with center A, B, C, D in such a way that each circle touches the other 2 circles out of 3. This figure is given. To find the area of shaded region. Okay. With center A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Okay, each circle touches 2 circles out of 3. Now there are 4 circles. The circle with center touches 2 other circles out of remaining 3 circles. Similarly, circle with center B touches 2 circles out of 3. Okay. So we have to find area of the shaded region and side of square is given. Side of square A 14 centimeter. Okay. In such case, if a circle touches other 2 out of 3, okay, then the radii of all the circles are remain same, isn't it? With each circle touches other 2 out of 3 means radii of all 4 circles are remain same. Then it is possible only. In other way also you can represent the quotients. 4 circles, each touches the other 2 out of 3. Okay. Suppose square is not given. 4 circles, each touches the other 2 out of 3. Then find the area included between the circle. Same thing. If we join the center, we get a square because radii of the circles are equal. Then after joining four vertices, we get a square. Okay, in other way also we can represent the same portion in this manner. If four circles are there, in which each circle touches the other 2 out of 3, then find area included between the circles. A radius will be given suppose 7 centimeter. Okay, then after joining the centers we get a quadrilateral, that is square because all sides are equal, and length of side 7 plus 7 14 centimeter, isn't it? So in this case, as for given portions in a book, side is given 14 centimeter, then radius you have to find out. Then radius of each circle equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now let's see. These four are quadrant. Quadrant means sector having central angle 90 degree. Or if two diameters are perpendicular to each other, then circle divided into 4 equal regions known as quadrant. If two diameters are perpendicular to each other, then circle is divided into 4 equal regions, 4 equal parts known as quadrant. So in other way you can say that in a sector if central angle is 90 degree, then that is known as quadrant. Okay, in other way. So there are 4 quadrants we have. Okay. Radius of quadrant also we have 7 centimeter. So area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant, that is equal to area of the shaded region. Very simple. So what you have to write? Area of shaded region equal to area of square ABCD minus 4 into area of quadrant. Okay. Now calculate. Area of square ABCD means A square minus 4 into area of quadrant, 1 by 4 pi r square. Area of circle divided by 4. So 4 cancel. Actually 4 quadrants make a circle. We get pi r square finally, area of circle. A square is what? 14 square minus pi 22 by 7 into r square. R is 7 into 7. 7 cancel. 196 minus 154. Again we get 42 centimeters square. Okay, very simple, also important. Clear everybody? That's all. The remaining question you have to do in next class. Let's see. Your homework. Exercise 12.3. Questions number 1 to how much you have done? 8, 7. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.